responsible for that? On the slides. I could have something like emphysema. What happens in emphysema? Why are people with emphysema walking around with oxygen generators or oxygen tanks? What actually just happened? Anybody know? Why do they need to be on oxygen? I'll tell you something what, they don't have good gas exchange in the lungs. And why is that? Because in emphysema, the walls of the alveoli break down and you have less surface area for gas exchange. If you just had two sacs with two tubes run in, you'd have very little surface area for gas exchange. And that's why the respiratory system is subdivided into tubes and passageways and many, many, many alveoli. It gives you a lot more surface area for gas exchange. But in emphysema, the walls of the alveoli break down. Now you have larger cavities, less surface area, and as a result, you don't aerate or pick up the oxygen very well. And that's why these people walk around with an oxygen generator or haul in a tank, okay? And many of them are smokers or have been smokers. That's something to look forward to. If you're a smoker, okay, you'll pay for it later on with COPD. For sure, chronic bronchitis, and very likely later on, emphysema. And if you're really unlucky, lung cancer. Okay? Cigarette smoking does cause lung cancer, regardless of what the tobacco companies would like you to believe. Okay? Okay, let's take a look then at a section through the normal lung. Now, by the way, there's other things you're going to see congestion in the lungs. Other diseases, for example. All right, when you look at a section through the normal lung, what you see are many cavities. It has kind of a lacy network to it, as you can see. This is a normal lung. And most of these little cavities are alveoli. And that's where gas exchange occurs. Where do we first see alveoli?
At the very end of the...
What passageway?
What are you talking about?
You should be able to trace through the respiratory tract. So in what passageway do we first see alveoli?
Are you talking about
What?
are you talking about respiratory zone or conduction zone? Is that what?
Yeah, but what part of that? Where you first see alveoli coming off the walls? And this would be in the respiratory zone, obviously.
Respiratory bronchioles?
Respiratory bronchioles, yes. Respiratory bronchioles, the start of the respiratory zone. Okay? What you're seeing here are a lot of alveoli. Now, some come off respiratory bronchioles, some come off alveolar ducts, and some are closer to alveoli called alveolar sacs. Okay, so let's look at some of these passageways. The first thing you want to do when you see a passageway here, and I guarantee you will, okay, you've seen examples of these, is to look for the presence of cartilage. If you see any cartilage in the wall at all, on our slides, it is a what?
Bronchus.
Tertiary.
It's a tertiary bronchus, regardless of the size or the shape. Any cartilage, it's a bronchus, and the largest ones we have here, okay, are tertiary. You don't see any primary, secondaries here. So this, you can see this cartilage in the wall right there. It's also a fairly large passageway, you can see. There's more cartilage. There's cartilage again. So this would be a tertiary bronchus. That's the first thing you should look for. Any cartilage, tertiary bronchus, regardless of size or shape. Remember, tertiary bronchi divide and divide and divide. Something like 23 orders of branching. So just as we go tertiary bronchus to bronchiole, there are many smaller and smaller tertiary bronchi before you get to the bronchioles. Okay? That'd be a tertiary bronchus. Get down here. What's this?
Looks like a vein.
See any cartilage?
No.
No? What do you see?
Is it a vein?
Yes, it is a vein.
Oh,
Not a respiratory passage at all.
that's the one I got right.
You got blood cells in it too. And smooth muscle in the wall here, you can see. It's also got, if you look at this more carefully, you see it's got simple squamous epithelium, which is the lining of all blood vessels. Okay?
And also the,
Keep in mind, there are
yeah.
going to be a lot of blood vessels in here as well as respiratory passages. Okay, how about over here? We got two that run into one another. First off, any cartilage in the wall?
No.
Okay, so that makes it either a bronchiole, a terminal bronchiole, or a respiratory bronchiole. So the second thing you look for, are there any alveoli coming off the wall? If there are, it's a respiratory bronchiole. Alveoli will have simple squamous, so it look like a break in the wall, like right here. So this is a respiratory bronchiole. Got an alveolus coming right up here. There's another one right here. This one doesn't, but it connects to respiratory bronchial. And what passageway connects to respiratory bronchial?
Terminal bronchial?
The terminal bronchial,
Yeah.
end of conduction zone. Respiratory bronchial, beginning of respiratory zone. Okay? So terminal bronchial, respiratory bronchial. And since it may be a little hard to tell a terminal from a bronchial, what I'll do is something like this. Coming into a respiratory bronchial, you may assume it's a terminal. Okay? It's off by itself, it's called a bronchiole. Not a bronchus, bronchiole. And don't call the bronchus a tertiary bronchiole. There is no such thing. All right. Tertiary bronchus, bronchiole, yes.
So if you say, that if you show it to us, and if it's attached to another one, we gotta decide whether it's,
If it's attached to a respiratory bronchiole, it's going to be a terminal bronchiole, like this one. Make it easy for you.
and if it's not attached,
If
it's
it's not
a
attached, you
bronchial.
may assume it's a bronchiole. It doesn't have any cartilage on the wall, okay?
Alright,
Try to make it easy for you, all right?
and if it has cartilage on the wall, it's a bronchus,
What kind of bronchus?
tertiary.
Tertiary bronchus, okay? So look for cartilage first. Any cartilage, tertiary bronchus. No cartilage, bronchiole, terminal bronchiole, respiratory bronchiole. Second thing you look for, one or more alveoli coming off the wall. If
All right.
there are, respiratory bronchiole. If it's not, and it's attached to respiratory bronchiole, terminal bronchiole. It's just by itself, no cartilage, okay? No alveoli, bronchiole. Fair enough?
Yeah.
Okay? Since you're not histologists, hope you can recognize that. All right? What's this? What does it, by the way?
Looks like a
Whoa.
respiratory
It's a respiratory, yeah, it looks like you got a disruption in the wall here.
Okay.
There's some simple squames there, it's got to help you. That'd be a respiratory bronchiole again. Okay, no cartilage, and alveolus. Okay, there of course is our tertiary bronchus again. Okay, now this one, that's a blood vessel. So this one you could call a bronchiole. Okay, no cartilage, not next to a respiratory bronchiole, bronchiole. Okay, and no alveolus coming on. Yes, question?
I would have confused that one with the tertiary bronchus because the blood vessel almost looks like cartilage.
Well, you should be able to recognize cartilage, okay? Look at it carefully. It's a blood vessel. You should see cells in the matrix.
Okay.
If it's cartilage. And what appears to maybe be matrix to are blood cells. So here's another blood vessel.
Whoa, look at that.
What would this be?
It's like a respiratory bronchiole.
Respiratory bronchiole? You got simple squares right here. Respiratory bronchiole.
Alright.
Okay?
Let's go
Let's go to another slide.
Look at you, Jesse. Alrighty.
Okay, what's this respiratory passageway?
So, tertiary bronchus?
What is it?
Tertiary bronchus.
Tertiary bronchus, not bronchiole, okay? Cartilage, cartilage, cartilage.
You can see those cells really easily. Okay.
Like it's all over. Okay?
Alright.
Cartilage there, cartilage there. These are blood vessels right here. Okay? There's another blood
Got
vessel.
such a nice teacher.
That'd be a tertiary bronchus. Cartilage in the wall.
Ooh.
How about this? What would this be?
Respiratory.
Respiratory bronchiole. You can see there's an alveolus right there. So it's a respiratory bronchiole. How about this one? This is kind of a different section. That's cross section. That's more of a longitudinal section. What's this?
Respiratory bronchial.
Again, a respiratory bronchiole. See how alveolus right there? There's a second one right there. This is continuous with these passageways. So the wall is mostly alveoli. What would they be?
Alveolar sac.
Alveolar ducts.
Oh,
actually.
duct.
Alveolar ducts. They are two. See, they would end in alveolar sacs.
Okay.
Clusters of alveoli. Down here you would have an alveolar sac. Here's your respiratory bronchiole, alveolar duct, alveolar sac. Respiratory bronchiole, alveolar duct again. And again, it ends in a cluster of alveoli. Here would be the alveolar sac.
Alright.
Okay? Any other questions?
Oh no, the duct.
Again, be able to trace through the system. from the outside, okay? The outside to the alveoli, either direction, inhale or exhale. So I could give you a respiratory passageway and say, okay, what does this connect to if the air is inhaled? What does it connect to if the air is exhaled? Like I say, you should be able to trace either way, in or out. Yes?
So you're saying, like, for example, if you're exhaling, what's the next step from an alveolar sac? And we would have,
Alveolar duct.
and we'll say alveolar duct.
Respiratory sac, yeah, alveolar duct.
Okay, so that's if we're exhaling.
Yeah, exhaling, you're going out.
Yep.
Okay?
So.
You clear on that?
Yeah.
Well, you should know that the pulse is the conduction zone and the respiratory zone.
Yep, that's what I was gonna start with.